Uniqueness, leadership, sustainability, excellence. Castellana 81, the icon designed by Sáenz de Oiza in Madrid's most emblematic location, at the very heart of the financial district. That heart whose pulse fills our city with life. At the nerve center of the capital, with the best and most complete commercial and service offerings, Castellana 81 is the meeting point for the professional elite. Due to its prime location and its numerous public transport links, as well as its excellent connections to the main roads leading into and out of the capital. This feat of Spanish architecture now looks to the future through an extensive refurbishment, which positions the building at the cutting edge of sustainability and comfort. Standing more than 100 meters tall, its 28 stories offer modular, flexible office space with raised floors. In addition to the main entrance on the Paseo de la Castellana, there is an alternative one on Raimundo Fernández Villaverde. The impressive lobby of this architectural gem has been equipped with a state-of-the-art access control system and serves as the key point of access to the car park, office floors, auditorium, meeting center, physiotherapy area, changing rooms, and restaurant. 95% of the occupants will enjoy office spaces full of natural light and with panoramic views of the city. Castellana 81 is one of the most sustainable propositions within the commercial real estate market. High-performance LED lighting and efficient water and energy use reduce consumption by up to 50%. Moreover, its internal climate control system ensures optimal indoor air quality for the entire building. Now, for the first time in its history, this Madrid icon opens its doors to companies that value excellence and sustainability. Castellana 81, as always, like never before.